Delaware several years back, in about the 2008 time frame, had a lot of graffiti all over the place, and people felt that the penalties weren't harsh enough. It's around $1,600 with court costs for each charge, and then each person convicted of graffiti has to do 250 hours of community service. Newark is really good about cleaning graffiti, and the rangers there, or the officers there, they put on their overalls and paint over stuff. The Ferris machine is actually a low-pressure wet blaster that uses proprietary materials to basically chip away at the surface and clean the paint off. A lot of the kids that we get, and even adults, this is the first time they've ever been in trouble. Some of them didn't kind of realize that what they were doing had serious penalties. One of the things that makes it cool is that you're doing something that's kind of illegal. My only kind of caveat to all this is if the different agencies, or I'll just say the state in general, spent half as much money cleaning up graffiti as they did prosecuting graffiti, I think there'd be a lot less